Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change your name on Facebook mobile. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app and tap on menu option. Okay, click on settings and privacy, then tap on settings. After that, tap on see more in accounts center and tap on profile option. Click on Facebook ID and just tap on name option and change your name on Facebook in mobile. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.